Tornado warning for southeastern Rush County, northeastern Decatur County until 8:30 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Greensburg, or 9 miles west of Batesville, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lake Santee and Clarksburg around 8:25 p.m. New Salem around 8:30 p.m. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 134 and 144. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Indianapolis.